All right, guys, we got Josh here and his beautiful Mark IV Supra. No, not N8 automatic. I'm totally lying. It's manual. Josh, tell us about the latest addition to this car.
Most recent addition was the carbon fiber interior. And the cockpit had it done over here at the Carbon Lab in Las Vegas. And yeah, let's check it out.
Let's check it out right here. Now, if you notice, there's a single color you see on this car all over the place.
A little bit of purple here.
And that color is purple. You mind if I sit in there?
No, absolutely. Have it.
All right, guys, so I don't know if the camera's picking all this up. We have a beautiful purple theme cockpit here. And I call it cockpit because Supras are one of the few cars where it actually feels like in a cockpit. I roll with Josh here and sitting in the passenger seat. I felt like I wasn't allowed to touch anything on his side of the car. So happy with the results, Josh?
Oh yeah, I absolutely love it, man. It's a showstopper.
But yeah, guys, get on the Throdle app and we'll see more from Josh here.
Right
And
here.
he just got his Instagram tag here. Anything else? What's the next big project for this car?
Next week's project's gonna be motor build.
Ooh.
Yeah, 1,200 horsepower.
But that's probably over the next, what, couple of years?
Yeah.
Yeah. But this is his Supra, guys. Yeah, take a look at this thing. And guys, don't forget to follow us on Throdle.